Hello everybody, let's start our trip to Thailand. It was our first time to travel to Thailand, so we are very excited. After arriving in Bangkok, at first we went to visit the most famous Four Faces Buddha in Bangkok. So if you are a food lover or if you like shopping, I prefer you to go to Bangkok as they have a lot of big shopping malls and also very delicious foods. To visit the sky bar, you have to wear long pants and good shoes, otherwise they don't let you go up. My god, when I see this drink, my heart still pain because we ordered 2 of these drinks and we paid like around 50 francs, so it was very expensive. Kasi shopping go saya go to Yunnan Bangkol to the Yamdulai Bangkol ni shopping mall Pachimuduni Tadu saya Tsupe Abudulai. See the what means actually temples in Thai language. So we went to visit the temples in Bangkok.
Oh my god,那你真的知道的，这是的拿多多的事，是的，对。是的，你这。
Hello guys, now we are in Chiang Mai. We booked to a tour and the guide was really friendly, and we have also 2 other friends who joins to our group. We had a very good time. Just lay any tanda chamba la sajadulani kesi dunia bina anidi kardulana misi kita di la peshna rishuto dani gomba da de jeha drobna di sajade pe abdulai. Someone who is really interested in the Thai culture and who wants to visit the temples, the Chiang Mai is a very good place to visit. Yang jaga tenggelam ciso, ini chu ba thong la chu di khang la re ni oh na de la ki bu shi da do ni cha chu pe ha sang ya chi bu chi ni ni tanda konda chi so nga ba tu pas na ni am tu bu do ni tanda khala ta langa da shi tham ni do da bars to da chama ku chi do ni and bi si tu din di la chi ni din pha do cha chu ka cha ko ra ko ti chi at the bottom beach, and there is very beautiful. You can do a lot of things, and I mean like they have so many big game stores and so many